one of the most soothing, rejuvenating, and beautiful facials is Simply Nam Bio-Cellulose Mask. This is an absolutely gorgeous mask. It gives you instant hydration, instant glow, and it's literally in a beautiful coconut fiber sheet mask. I'm going to show you exactly how to use this mask. So you tear open the seal. So it has peony root, aloe vera, witch hazel, sodium hyaluronate. I mean, you name it and it has it, and all beautiful ingredients for your skin. So you open the mask completely. It has 3 layers. Okay, so you remove the first layer, which is a paper, and apply the center layer on your face. So if you see the center layer, it's like a coconut fiber. It's a little bit slimy, so you will know exactly which layer to apply on your skin. Now I'm going to apply this on my skin and adjust it. I'm going to find the edge and I'm going to separate the top paper layer again away from this, and I'm going to adjust this on my face. Honestly, it is such a refreshing mask, and especially with summer right around the corner, it is something that you're going to love. Don't forget, there's so much product that is still inside, so I like to just put my fingers in and go in and really apply all this product. Because it's a coconut fiber biocellulose mask, the beauty is that it penetrates through the coconut fiber into your skin. Okay, so I'm taking enough product and I'm going to show you a few tricks that I love to do. So when I apply this mask, I adjust it as per my liking. I really like to make sure that it covers my under eye area also really well. And now I'm going to give myself a beautiful massage. So I'm going to take a little extra product. I'm going to use my fingers and I'm going to go up towards my ear. I can even take my thumbs from my under eyes and I can go up towards my temples. This way, if you have any swelling, if you have any kind of water retention, all of this goes away from your skin. So you can just push all this beautiful product into your skin and you will see how much it helps in pushing that product in. So again, I'm just going to come here and I'm going to push the product into the skin up and down, back and forth. And now just go lie down on your sofa or your bed for 20 minutes. Allow this beautiful mask to do its job. Remove it and you will see the most beautiful, intensely hydrated and glowing skin.